Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at one of the best services offered by Tailor Brands, which is their LLC formation. Now I'm going to explain what LLCs are, how they can help your business, and how Tailor Brands can help streamline the process and take a load of work off your shoulders. So if you want to know more about Tailor Brands LLC formation and see if it's the right choice for you, this video is for you. And without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point throughout this video you want to give Tailor Brands a try, well, you'll find all the useful links as well as discounts in the description down below to help you guys save some extra money. For starters, what exactly is an LLC? Well, LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a unique type of business entity that combines the features of a corporation with those of a partnership or sole proprietorship. Now, the main purpose of an LLC is to provide its owners, known as members, with protection from personal responsibilities for the company's debts and obligations. Now, it's important to note that the rules and regulations governing LLCs can vary from state to state. Anyone, whether an individual or an entity, can be a member of an LLC, except for banks and insurance companies, which have different restrictions. Now, let's go over some key steps involved in starting an LLC. First, you need to choose a business name and ensure its availability. Now, Tailor Brands, well, they offer a free business name search tool on their website, which can help you with this process. It's also essential to be aware of the guidelines and requirements when naming your LLC, and you can find further resources on this topic in the description below. Now, next, you'll need to file an article of organization. Now, keep in mind that each state has its own filing fee, so make sure to check the applicable fees for your chosen state. Also, having a competent registered agent is a must to ensure a streamlined and easy process. Now, Tailor Brands offers registered agent services for $199 per year, which can be added to your formation package. Now, obtaining an employee identification number, or in short EIN, is another important step. Now, the EIN is assigned by the IRS and serves to identify your business for tax purposes. Now, you can easily obtain an EIN by filling out a form and submitting it online or by email to the IRS. Now, creating an LLC for your business can offer numerous advantages that contribute to its success. Now, one key benefit is that it establishes a separate legal entity distinct from you as the owner. Now, this separation ensures that any debts or liabilities incurred by the business are kept separate from your personal assets. Essentially, an LLC acts as a protective shield, providing you with peace of mind and safeguarding, well, your personal wealth. Now, another advantage of an LLC is its flexibility in terms of taxation. As the owner, you have the freedom to choose how your business will be taxed, whether as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. This flexibility allows you to optimize, well, your tax strategy, potentially reducing the overall tax burden from your business and maximizing your financial resources. And on top of that, well, establishing an LLC enhances the credibility and professionalism of your company. By including LLC in your company's name, you convey a sense of permanence and stability, which can attract more clients, customers, and partners. This professional image can create new business opportunities and strengthen the reputation of your company in the marketplace. These perks have made forming your business as an LLC a popular choice among a lot of entrepreneurs. However, the process of forming an LLC can be daunting, involving legal paperwork, compliance requirements, and various administrative tasks. Now listen, Tailor Brands steps in to alleviate these challenges by offering you a user-friendly platform that guides you through each step of the LLC formation process. Well, their website serves as a comprehensive research hub, providing a wealth of information and tools to educate and assist you along the way. Now, one key feature of Tailor Brands LLC formation service is their intuitive online application. You can access a simple and straightforward questionnaire that helps gather all the necessary information required by the LLC formation process. So by answering a series of targeted questions about your business, well, Tailor Brands ensures that the correct paperwork is granted and submitted. Listen, they also provide personalized assistance by assigning a team of experts to review and verify the information you provided. This added layer of support ensures accuracy and helps you avoid common mistakes that can potentially delay or complicate the LLC formation process. So Tailor Brands also offers additional services to enhance, well, your overall experience of forming an LLC. These services include name availability check, where you can check if your desired business name is already in use, as well as registered agent services, which provides a designated point of contact for legal and government correspondence. And on top of that, their LLC formation services imposes post-formation tasks such as obtaining an employer identification number from the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS for short, and providing you access to essential legal documents and templates needed to run your business smoothly. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the process of applying an LLC with Tailor Brands, which is quick and easy, consistent of just 3 simple steps. Now, step 1, choose your state. On Tailor Brands' website, you'll find a choose your state field. Simply select a state from the drop-down menu and click on Get Started. All right, step 2, answer straightforward questions. You'll be asked about your business, including its name, the products or services you offer, whether you have employees, and the current stage of your business. You'll also provide your personal information such as your name and email address. Rest assured this information is kept confidential and used solely for forming, well, your LLC, hopefully. Step 3, submit your LLC and go to the final billing to see if the things you've picked are there and whether you've been charged or not. If there's anything over there that you don't want or you accidentally clicked, this is the time where you can actually go through this, choose a payment method, make your payment, and that's all you need to do to get your LLC in just under 5 minutes. Now, once you provided all the necessary information, Tailor Brands takes care of submitting your LLC application for you. It's as simple as that. Now, what makes Tailor Brands so special is their experienced team of professionals who have helped launch tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of businesses. Now, over 500,000 businesses have already started with Tailor Brands, making their team experts in assigning individuals with setting up and launching their businesses. Now, another standout feature is their premium support. With Tailor Brands, well, you have access to a proprietary customer support whenever you need assistance. Their 24/7 support team is readily available via chat and email, ensuring swift responses and guidance at every step. And as mentioned earlier, Tailor Brands offers a swift LLC formation services, claiming to help you form an LLC like a pro in just 5 minutes. The process is straightforward, hassle-free, making it incredibly convenient. Lastly, Tailor Brands can also set up an LLC for non-US residents, making it accessible to anyone around the world. So no matter where you're located, you can still take advantage of their services. So overall, Tailor Brands LLC formation services aims to simplify and expedite the LLC formation process, allowing you to focus on your core business activities. So by leveraging technology, expertise, and user-friendly interface, they provide a comprehensive solution for individuals like you who are looking to start your own LLC with confidence and ease. So that's it for this video. Well, again, if you're interested in Tailor Brands, you'll find all the useful links as well as discounts in the description down below to help you guys save some extra money. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.